we go. Last one in the dino park. Let's get this old dino cam finished off. All right, there we go. That's good, that should work right there. Now I'll be able to monitor the dinosaurs from anywhere. Ah! Oh! Tiny, what are you doing there, man? You nearly scared me out of this tree. I almost fell off this ladder here, Tiny. That would have been bad. Okay, wow. You've really gotten tall, Tiny. Coming way up here, you're getting pretty big. I think we may need a bigger park for dinosaurs like you, huh? Oh, wait a minute. Were you gonna eat this tree, Tiny? You can't eat this tree, man. It's the middle of January. There's no leaves on this tree here, okay, Tiny? You gotta go over here and get the dino food that Park Ranger B left for you yesterday, okay?
Man, I wonder where Park Ranger Aaron went. Where did he go? Is that him over there?
Oh, speaking of Park Ranger B, here he is now. I'm gonna go talk to him about this dino cam.
Whoa, Park Ranger Aaron, what's with the ladder?
Oh, hey, Park Ranger B. Yeah, I was up the ladder because I was putting in the last of the dino cam cameras, huh?
Oh, yeah!
The system's all ready to go now. We'll be able to monitor the dinosaurs from any place in the park. It'll be really awesome.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so where is it?
Oh, yeah, the monitor, the little portable monitor. It's back in Dino HQ. You want to go check it out?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, dude.
Let's go.
Ooh, it's getting late. We gotta hurry up and... What? Look, it looks like claw marks, like baby dinosaur claw marks. Ooh, what do you think it's from? What did it, huh?
Fresh T-Rex claw marks.
It can't be T-Rex, because T-Bone's way out there in his paddock, so it can't be from T-Bone. It's gotta be from something else, huh? Not a T-Rex.
Maybe it's from the mommy T-Rex.
The mysterious mommy T-Rex.
Yeah!
That we've never seen before.
Got a tracker.
You're right, we got a tracker. Okay, I'll turn the tracker. I know. We'll use one of the tracking sleepy darts.
Oh, yeah!
Come on, let's go inside and get one. And we'll go track down mommy T-Rex. Okay, let's gear up, man. Get ready to go track that T-Rex. There we go.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go find mommy T-Rex.
We're ready.
Let's get in the Dinonator.
Okay.
Go find this mommy T-Rex. Yeah,
Yeah.
get the jacket there.
Wait.
Got my jacket. What?
It could be more dangerous than T-Bone.
Oh, yeah, I guess it could be a really dangerous T-Rex. Okay, well, we need to be able to hide from it while we're out there in the Dinonator. That's gonna be kind of hard to hide.
Camouflage.
But, oh, yeah, camouflage. That's a good idea. Throw. Almost got there. There we go. All right. Hey, that's pretty cool, man. That'll hide the Dinonator perfectly.
Yeah, but we need to get all camouflaged up too.
Oh, yeah, I'm looking a little green here. Do you have any more camouflage?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, that blue towel's not gonna work.
Huh? Oh yeah, it's not
Okay,
blue
there we go.
outside.
Cover yourself up there, okay? Why don't you use some of these clothespins?
Yeah, I need one too.
There we go.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go find mommy T-Rex.
Let's go.
Here, take your sleepy dart blaster.
Oh,
Don't
yeah.
forget that. Don't forget your seatbelt. Let's go, man.
Let's go.
All right, here we go.
Ah!
Okay. Keep an eye out for her, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
I'm looking.
You see anything now?
No.
Okay, which way do you think we should go?
That way.
That way?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go that way then. Keep an eye out for her.
Okay.
She's out there somewhere.
Wait.
What? What is it? What is it?
Nah, it must have just been an armadillo or something.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Okay. Peel them.
Peel your eyes, yeah. Uh-oh. Well, we're coming up to a dead end in the trail. The trail doesn't go any farther. I can't take the Dinonator, okay? Okay. We're gonna have to get out and go on foot, okay? Let's go, dude. This way.
Let's go.
What was that? I heard something. Sounded like a roar, didn't it?
Yeah.
Hey. Look at this tree, man. It's like something's been eating it, huh?
Yeah.
Hey. Ooh, what's that?
Yeah, what is that?
Whoa. Look at the size of that tooth.
Yeah.
That's definitely a T-Rex tooth, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's from the mommy T-Rex.
Yeah, it has to be.
So I think the mommy T-Rex Must have gone this way.
Okay.
Or she could have gone that way.
No, she has to go that way.
No. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's divide up. You go that way, I'll go this way, and we'll see who finds her first, okay? Just keep a close eye on your back there. Don't let anything sneak up on you. Come here, Mommy T-Rex. Where are you, Mommy? Ooh, I better have my sleepy dart blaster ready to go here. Ooh, bet she went this way.
Yeah. Oh, big steps. Okay. Ooh, this is a pretty good clearing here.
Yes, I'm hot on her trail. You thought you could turn old baby T-Rex loose on us, huh? Not the park rangers. Ooh, wait a minute. I think this is the place. She's right over there. Okay, Mommy T-Rex, you ready for this? Okay, got my sleepy dart tracker ready for you.
Rex, where are you? T-Rex. T-Rex. Whoa, T-Rex. T-Rex.
You ready, Mommy T-Rex? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, man. She's not here.
Ooh, T-Rex ate this one down to a nub. Oh, man. I know she's close. Yeah. And I better start looking for clues. Clues.
Man, camouflage isn't helping any. Take that off.
Who's here? T-Rex!
What's that? Park Ranger OB, I think he found Mommy T-Rex. It sounds like a big T-Rex roar. Come in, Park Ranger OB. Park Ranger OB, you there? Oh, it's another roar. Oh, hey, almost forgot. The Dino cam monitor. And I think he did find her. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good. I gotta go get him. He must be that way. I'll come get this later. I'm coming, Park Ranger OB. Hang on. Be right there. Helpy, where are you? Oh, he's that way. Okay, I'm coming, dude. Okay, Park Ranger OB. Here it come. Okay. I'm sure this is where he was, because there's the camera right there. All I see is this rock here. Hey, this rock has 2 shoes on it. Okay, must be why all Park Ranger OB's toys are always walking off. Everything around here's got a foot on it. Okay, wonder where he is. Oh.
Ah, T-Rex!
Park Ranger OB! The T-Rex is gone, man! Why are you running off, man? T-Rex! Park Ranger OB, T-Rex is gone. Okay, guess I'll have to go find a mommy on my own then. Okay, sure, Mommy T-Rex is this way. Hope Park Ranger OB made it back to Dino HQ all right. Come on, T-Rex. You're out here somewhere, I know it. What's that? It sounded like a roar. Now I'm up at the road. Come here, T-Rex. Oh, man. I don't see his Mommy T-Rex anywhere. I think we lost her. This is a Mommy T-Rex! I gotta get out of here! Oh, here! The blaster! Oh, I got her! Oh, this will work. I'll hide behind T-Rex rock. There she goes! So long, T-Rex! Mommy, I got you tagged now. We can track you right here on the Dino Tracker app. Ooh, let's see if it works here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, there she is. And she's moving away on the tracker. Awesome, it worked. All right, Mommy T-Rex, we're gonna know when you're coming now. Gotta go back and find Park Ranger OB at Dino HQ. Okay, see ya.